Morning, everyone. Hope you all had fun trick-or-treating last night. Enjoyed your kids, your family, if you have kids, of course. Going into today, the main thing I'm really looking at right now is we're kind of stuck here. You see, we have a 4-hour order block right here that we're kind of rejecting, but we also have a 4-hour order block sitting right here. And you see, we kind of reacted to it kind of nicely so far. You see, we went down, tested it. We tested this one, so we're just kind of stuck. So it is very possible, I think, that we just chop between this 440, this 45, and this 15 range today. Obviously, we don't have to. We just had data come out, didn't really get much of a reaction, so no real data lows or data highs to kind of chase this morning. Um, so yeah, just watching this. Whichever side of this breaks, I think is the way we maybe trend today. But then again, we're stuck between two very higher time frame order blocks here, so we're just kind of sitting in the middle in a no man's land, just waiting. Like I said, I do think if we break to the upside, I do think yesterday's high will at least be targeted up to 503. Um, as well as if we go up here, I think we just go up to a 534, 545, tap into this 4-hour FEG, which is also our 50% on NQ, and then see what happens. I do think this is the possibility to do wick into for Powell, and then maybe some downside, but like I said, we'll just have to see. Not much to look at on the hourly. You see, we really didn't make many FVGs overnight. Um, we do have this small one right here that might be kind of telling. If we can close above this, we should run these equal highs up here. They're relative equal highs. They aren't exact, but they're very, very close. And they don't have a lot of wicks to them. So usually your candles that don't have like a very small wick or no wick at all, those tend to get drawn to for some odd reason. I'm not sure why. So those could be a target, and then obviously if we go there, we'll probably just take out yesterday's high as well. So that's what I'm looking at really. Like I said, not much on the hourly. We do have this hourly OB here. We have an hourly order block right here as well. That's kind of, you see how it's kind of respecting price too. So just kind of stuck right now. ES, same thing, same 4-hour order block. This was formed yesterday. Like, yesterday with our bullishness, this candle closed over this candle with another up candle smashed in the middle. So this is your 4-hour order block. You still see how price is still respecting here. Um, so as long as that continues to hold, I don't see us going down. Like I said, and then you see we also have a 4-hour order block here, but we're kind of starting to get above it here. So just something to watch. Let's look at the hourly charts here. Very, very small hourly FEG compared to NQ. Don't think that really will mean much, but it's possible. And then we do have another hourly OB right here as well that you can see prices rejecting. So you can see we're just stuck right now. Just looking for one side to get broken. Let's see. We never took those. One thing to note, yeah, we never took those equal highs up here on ES that we left at high a day yesterday. So that's one reason I think we could draw back up today, just because it's very, very rare these get left up here. If not, I mean, we'll catch them someday whenever price decides to come back up. That's, I think, could be a strong draw today. Take out yesterday's high and then maybe down. But yeah, they might save them for Powell as well. That's also very possible. Let's go check out the 15-minute. Uh, this is so we did see. So this is what I'm saying. We obviously held that 4-hour order block. We are still holding this 15. Remember I mentioned last night we had to hold this whew, we had to hold this FEG here. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I've just seen a candle shoot up, but and I said we had to hold this 15, and if not, we probably come down in a retest. This one, you see, that's exactly what happened, and now we're getting some kind of a reaction. It is 7:30 here, 8:30 Eastern, so must be some kind of news. I am assuming, but you see, we're getting a nice little move here. Let's see how we are on the 4-hour order block. So you see how we're kind of like we're displacing back above this 4-hour order block. If we close above this, I think we're going right back to yesterday's high. Kind of, I guess I picked a perfect time to start the video today. But like I said, we have an hour and a half until this candle closes. So watch for this candle close. If this candle closes above here, above the body of this one, I think we continue upwards. But then again, we could just stay back in this in this range here. So I'll check out the 15-minute on ES. Not much on now on ES, still holding obviously that 4 hour, like I said, and we bounced from this 15-minute FEG again. So, like I said, and then them those equal highs, I think we're just going to draw right to them. It's what price is kind of showing right now, especially with displacement like that. But so yeah, we'll have to see. Keep an eye on 42.15, 42.23 would be the 4 hour here. So those would be the bullish targets. You know, if we break back down from here. Um, then we're looking for 41.71. Something worth noting as well. We do have a little LRLR here kind of forming on the 4 hour. It's not the prettiest on ES. It's a little more clean on NQ. So that's also worth noting. Just because this is like very like clean. Like you can tell it's very algorithmic. So it's just once this breaks, we might go all the way down at least. And then one thing, another uh, bullish target or bearish target, sorry, would be where are they? They're down here. They are these. Showed you these last night, but we have equal lows down here, about 310 or so, 310.50 or so. These will be a bearish target if price starts to break down from this 15-minute. I think we're going right to these equal lows down here, like 311, 310.50. I think is the actual number. So with that, again, I'm gonna stay light today, at least until we get until Powell and the rate decision comes out, and we very well just might chop as well. So with that, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in chat.